To make tawa pulao, the very first thing, cook rice perfectly. Boil water, then add into it salt, 1 teaspoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, squeeze few drops of lemon. Now I am adding 1.5 cup of rice to it, which I have washed and soak it for 20 minutes. Give a once or twice stir to it. If you will make rice in this way, the rice grain will not clump to each other and it will be done nice and separate. Cook the rice complete 100% and then drain the excess water. Cover the rice and keep aside. Now in a pan or tawa, add oil and butter both. Let oil heats up, then add this big thick green chili which give a nice aroma to it. Cut and add into it. Add 1 chopped onion to it and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes so that the raw smells of it will goes away. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes to it and saute it well till it becomes softened. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste to it. Add 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped capsicum. You could add any veggies according to your taste like cauliflower or green peas etc. Saute it well on a high flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add few powdered masala to it, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Add 2 teaspoon pav bhaji masala, half teaspoon chaat masala, salt as per taste, squeeze half lemon, add fenugreek leaves, also add coriander and mint leaves, add butter to it and saute all this thing well. If you want, you could add a little bit of water to it so that all the veggies will become softened quickly, or else you could use this masher to soften it. Saute it well for 2 to 3 minutes. Let all veggies to be cooked nicely. After few minutes, you could see oil will appear around it or on the top of it. Now you can add rice to it. But don't add all the rice together. Add it gradually and mix it gently. At the end, add butter, squeeze half lemon and mix it well. Serve it hot. While serving it, sprinkle some chaat masala, few chopped onion, some butter, coriander and mint leaves. Squeeze lemon juice into it. If you want to make it spicy, add few green chilies to it. Now it's ready to be served. You can serve this tawa pulao with cooling raita. Do try this recipe and let me know. And keep watching Albarka Kitchen.